Facau dal 1938.
Facau, since 1938, Design and Build is a project management company specialized in creating environments that inspire people. Our mission is to study, design, and create business environments that are suitable for new work models, promoting well-being and engaging people to enhance their performance. Thanks to our experience, deep passion, and continuous research and innovation, Facau has founded YoLab, a proprietary method that, through a multidisciplinary approach, transforms corporate spaces into efficient environments that stimulate human resources and engage people.
Ed in grado di ingaggiare le persone.
One of the top 5 factors for which a person decides to change their job is the workplace itself. By creating comfortable, flexible, and identity-building environments, it is possible to attract and retain talent. We offer the following benefits to our clients: free custom preliminary estimate on return on investment up to 25%, an innovative, smart, and convenient process for our clients, an interior contractor approach, a single point of contact responsible for respecting the budget, time, and quality of the expected result.